The IDS UFC makes sharing and transferring your files within or out of your organization a breeze. Once your files upload, select the ones you wish to share by checking the boxes to the right before pressing the Share File button in the top bar. This will open the Share File window, where you can input the email of the person you want to share your files with. They'll receive a notice a file's been shared with them via email. If they already have an account, the email will send them a link to log in. If they don't have an account, they'll be asked to create one before viewing your shared file. Now, let's see what it looks like after they make their account. When you log in for the first time, your file manager will be empty. Select the Shared Files tab, and now you'll see all your shared files. If the original user deletes any of those shared files, you'll lose access to it. Adding it to your drive ensures you always have a copy. Click the Add to My Files to transfer a copy to your account. Now you'll see any file you selected is removed from the shared files and has been transferred to your own files safely.